Is it taking too long to build your websites in Contentstack? Got a redesign you'd like to get to market quickly, but your DXP development is slowing you down? From Oshyn's innovation and research team, we've taken our decades of composable DXP experience and agentified building websites in Contentstack. Our team of experts can now take your designs directly from Figma and use AI to build them in Contentstack. Experts controlling the process ensure that everything is built to our exacting enterprise Contentstack standards and adheres to the look and feel that the design team has envisioned. The resulting code undergoes multiple automated scans to ensure no vulnerabilities exist, and our experts review each line to ensure what is put into your system is top-quality Contentstack code, handcrafted but with a fraction of the effort. Your Contentstack redesign or replatform can happen in weeks rather than months, and you can reallocate budget to more strategic activities. Oshyn's Agentic build for Contentstack is the future of composable DXP development, available today.